In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram not sending code. If Telegram isn't sending your login code, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through the most effective methods in a clear and easy way so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can stop Telegram from communicating with its servers. To confirm your internet is working, open any website or app that needs internet access and see if it loads normally. Once you know your connection is fine, go back to Telegram and try again. If that doesn't work, wait a moment and request the code again. Open the official Telegram app, enter your phone number carefully, and tap the option to resend the code. After that, wait about 1 to 3 minutes before trying again. Repeatedly tapping too fast can sometimes delay the process, so it's better to pause and give the system time. Another important thing to check is whether the code was sent inside Telegram instead of by SMS. If you've used Telegram before and you're still logged in on another phone, tablet, or computer, open Telegram on that device and look for a message from Telegram containing the login code. In many cases, Telegram sends the code to an active session first. If you find it there, simply enter that code instead of waiting for a text message. You should also restart your phone. Turn it off completely, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your network connection and fix temporary glitches that may be blocking messages or login requests. Next, check your phone number format, make sure you selected the correct country code, and re-enter your number carefully. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from reaching you. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and then try logging in again. These tools can sometimes interfere with Telegram's verification system. It's also a good idea to review your SMS settings. Make sure text messages are not blocked, check your spam or blocked messages folder, and confirm that your SIM card is active and has a signal. If SMS still doesn't arrive, use the voice call option. After several failed attempts, tap Call Me. Telegram may call your number and read the code aloud. If you still haven't received anything, your mobile carrier may be blocking international SMS, so wait a few hours and try again later. And if your SIM isn't receiving messages at all, restart your phone again or reinsert the SIM card.